Since and for, what's the difference? Let's have a look. For is generally followed by a period of time. How long? 3 days. Here we use the number of days. How many months? 6 months, the number of months. How many years? 10 years, the number of years. We always use the number here. Since is generally used before the starting point. When did we start? Here when we use 3 days, here we use since Monday. Here when we use 6 months, we use the specific name of the month, since June. Here when we use 10 years, we use specific name of the year, since 2020. We use the specific name while using since. For example, dash 5 years. Since this is a number, we will use for. Dash September. Since this is the name of the month, we will use dash 9 months. This is the number of months, so we will use dash 2001. What will come here? For or since? Let us know in the comments.